This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics, Homework 7.1, question number 7. The small piston of a hydraulic lift has a cross-sectional area of 4.71 centimeters squared. So I'll call that A1 equals 4.71 centimeters squared. And the large piston, 269 centimeters squared. So A2 is going to be 269 centimeters squared. What force must be applied to the small piston, that's this one, so that's F1, equals question mark, in order to raise a load of 2.4 kN. Let's see, 2.4 kilonewtons is the same thing as 2,400 newtons, because kilonewtons is 1,000, so that's 2,000 and a little more, 2,400 newtons. So that's force 2 equals 2,400 newtons. Answer in units of newtons. Well, I know that the pressure on the first piston is going to be the same as the pressure on the second piston. So here what I've got is I've got the big piston, and then I've got the small piston, and they're connected by the fluid. So here is my big area and my big force, and here is my little area and my little force, and I know that the pressure here is going to equal the pressure here. So this is the big one was 2 and the little one was 1. So pressure is force divided by area. So force 2 over area 2 equals force 1 over area 1. And I know area 1 and area 2 and force 2, and I don't know force 1. So I can multiply by area 1 and solve over here. Now you might say, do I have to convert this to meters squared? In this case, no, because this is just a ratio. In this case, I'm not solving for the force itself. Sorry, I am solving for the force. But my areas, if I took this and divided it by 100 and divided by 100, then I'd be doing the same with this one, divide by 100, divide by 100. So those factors are going to cancel out. So if you don't want to do the cancellation, you don't have to. So this will show you that if you plug in your force 2 of 2,400 newtons, and you divide by your area 2 of 269, that's going to be the same thing as force 1 over 4.71. And that'll work even if you don't do the conversions.